Today I'm going to show you how to fix a loose tub spout. I saw this guy's video in a Facebook group and I'm going to show you how to fix it in this one. All right, just like in that Facebook video, you know how the guy's tub faucet is loose? Well, I loosened mine just to show you what you can do to remedy this. So I loosened it, turn it around, you see you have an Allen head screw. So I have an Allen key, just get the Allen key that fits it. Then line up your faucet, push it against the ceramic tile. You want this bathtub faucet to be snug up against your ceramic tile. You want it to be tight so it doesn't move around, because water can get in behind here, and there's a hole there where the water pipe comes through and into here. And water can get down in there, it can go down in between your wall here behind the ceramic tile. It can ruin your ceiling. If you have a basement ceiling, it can ruin that, but you could get water down in here, water damage, mildew, mold, all that sort of thing. You don't want that. So push your bathtub faucet back into place, grab your Allen key, just find one that fits. I don't know what size this is. And we just tighten up that Allen head screw. Good, we're just about there. Now we'll just give it one snug up. Don't over tighten it because you could break that Allen screw. Just snug it up good like that. This isn't going anywhere anymore. Now we're going to put a bead of sealer around here with a caulking gun. I'll show you how to do that. We're going to use clear on here. You can use whatever color you want. And that'll prevent water from getting in between your tub faucet and your ceramic tile and getting down in that hole inside the wall. Okay, I'm using a General Electric tub and tile silicone. It's 100% waterproof and it is clear. That's what I wanted, is clear on here. So you're going to need a caulking gun like this. You can get them anywhere. I'll put links to all this stuff down below in the description of this video, where you can get them on Amazon really cheap. Then you're going to want to cut the tip off of this tube here, caulking tube, and just cut about a hole like that. And you're gonna grab something and put it down this hole and poke the seal that's inside here. You could use like a long stick or a skewer, anything that will fit in there, and go down and reach and poke that seal. So I poked the hole and I'm gonna get this sealer started coming out of the tube here. So like I said, I'm going to run a bead right around here. Now you don't have to go right underneath. It's not completely round here at the bottom because water doesn't run uphill here. So it's only going to run downhill. So as long as you got a bead from like here all the way around to the other side, you'll be all right. I will run a bead around here. It's kind of an awkward spot to do it. There we go. Clean the tip off of this, and you can buy those caulking tube plugs that goes over here, or you can just put a screw in the hole here, and that way you'll be able to reuse your caulking gun next time you need it. I just licked my finger, and I'm going to run my finger around here to smooth out this caulking. Don't push too hard. Wipe the excess off. And just, that didn't work out too good there. There we go. And we'll just go all the way around and wipe the excess off. Let this dry. Don't put any water on it for 24 hours. And that'll be all nice and dry tomorrow in 24 hours. And you'll be able to use your shower. Everything's tight now, everything's good. And this is the way you want it to prevent any water damage in here and more damage to the pipe or to the faucet. So bringing in close, you can see that silicone looks good all the way around. And like I said, you don't need it right on the bottom. It's not perfectly round. And that's how you fix a loose bathtub faucet and seal it, and you're good to go. And if you have a pop-up drain in your tub or your sink that keeps getting stuck, I got a video for you to the left here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.